All right. Got her marked up. Gonna finish the Pop-Tart that I stole from the boss's office. Get this going. Well, thankfully that came off really easy. Didn't break none of the bolts, just popped right out. That's sweet. She says bullshit. All right, now we're going to torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now we got it set. Well, now since that one's done, it went pretty damn easy. Got one back here that's cracked. So I'm gonna, there it is. There's a crack. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this one out too. Might as well.